to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So guys, today is 2nd of October. Happy birthday to Nigeria, which is Independent Day. Yesterday was Independent Day and today is 2nd of October, and I want to take down this braid I did with Brazilian wool. This is like 2 weeks I've had it, and so I want to take it down, and you're going to come along with me through the takedown process. So this is our length check. My hair is growing, you guys. Look at it. And there's something I noticed now. Formerly, in this my hair journey, I usually have itchy scalp. Sometimes I have bruises in my hair. But right now, you guys, the itchy scalp has stopped. Ever since I started using virgin hair fertilizer, the itchy scalp has stopped. So I hope you're able to, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you want to hit my subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and give it the thumbs up. Enjoy the vlog. Guys, I'm currently going to the store where I'll get my hair extension to get pre-stretched hair extension. And this is one of the bucket hat I made last month or last 2 months. I'm going to wear it this way just to cover my hair. So I'm going to wear with my phone, vlogging with my phone. I don't want those eyes that come with camera vlogging. If I tell you the angle where I kept this camera, you go fear for me. You go fear for the camera safe. But anything for the content. I got my phone to show you guys the angle I kept this camera. So let's show you guys what we do for you people. So see, look at it. This is the angle. My camera has like a camera strap, so I have to tie it to the protector. So this is what we do. So this is us. This is the final look of our hair. This part that it has this color is actually wet. That's why it's having this dark color on the nail. So guys, I survived this hairstyle, you guys. It took me, I started yesterday around after 7 in the night and I made this hair all through till to 5 to 6 this morning. Then I went to bed. I woke up by after 2 and continued, and I'm done. And one thing I like about this hair is that it's lightweight, very lightweight. So I bought jumbo braids, lush hair, color 30. That's what I used. I didn't mix it. Lush hair, color 30, and jumbo braids. And I just used half pack of the jumbo braids. So I still have half pack remaining. So the hair is very lightweight. Very lightweight. I hope you enjoyed this vlog.